Here at Agency Software, we hope to end the age-old question, where is that file? In many of our products, you will find an Images tab where you can attach all of the electronic files associated with that client. In this video, we will discuss the advantages and challenges to going paperless. Let's first discuss the advantage of going paperless or paper-light. First and foremost is the simple advantage of having the information at your fingertips without going to look in the file cabinet or perhaps desk to desk when someone is working the file. Another great reason for moving towards a paperless system is to save money. You can cut paper and printing costs, not to mention postage, when you begin to build a paperless culture in the agency. In a paper-light environment, customer requests can be handled with much more efficiency. By pairing your electronic documents with your email functionality, you can satisfy the requests of a time-pressed client in seconds instead of the hours or even days it may have taken in the past. Do you ever think about the safety of your file cabinet? Consider the physical dangers of fires, floods, and theft. When utilizing electronic filing with proper security and backup measures in place, you protect yourself from these risks. Now that we have covered the advantages, take a look at our Accessing Images tutorial to learn the basics of how to use the attached images.